Hey guys, welcome to another video on TechnoRide. So today I'll be teaching you on how to convert your MBR partition into a GPT partition during the Windows installation where you can be installed Windows 10, 11, 7 or 8. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So first off, you're just going to click on install now. Let the setup start. Okay, once you come into this screen, what you're going to do is you're going to hold Shift F10 on your keyboard. Once the command prompt pops up, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the word disk part. This will open this part. So now you're going to type in list disk to see what are the disks that are available. As you can see, we have one disk 0. So we're going to select it, select disk 0. And you can see now disk 0 is selected. Now we're going to clean it. So we're going to type clean. And once it says succeeded in cleaning, we are going to move on to converting it. So for this, you're going to type in convert and make sure the GPT is in capital letters. So you just say convert GPT. Click on enter. You can see it says this part successfully converted deselected disk to GPT format. And then now you can just type in exit and exit. And you're done. So now you can enter your product key or click on I don't have a product key. Choose your preferred version of Windows, click on next, accept the license terms, custom install, new, apply, OK, and next. As you can see, if you don't have any errors in this screen, that means the conversion worked. So that's all from me guys. It's a very simple tutorial, and yeah, do give a like and subscribe to support the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, folks.